Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make WhatsApp shortcut on desktop. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to web.whatsapp.com. Then scan the QR code using your phone's WhatsApp app by going to Link Devices and link a device and pointing your camera at the screen. Once you're logged in, you'll see your chats appear on WhatsApp web. Now, look at the top right corner of the browser. You'll see three dots or a menu icon, then click it and hover over Cast, Save, and Share. In that list, you'll find an option called Install WhatsApp. Click Install and your browser will instantly create WhatsApp shortcut on your desktop and in your Start menu. Once installed, you can open WhatsApp anytime by double-clicking the new desktop icon. It works just like the full app. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.